Creating a value stream map. Value stream maps are used in supply chain management to show, at a strategic level, the roles and responsibilities involved in producing and delivering a good or service. The Performance Dashboard Value Stream Map is a visual tool used to show, in sequence, the major activities and roles that make up a value stream. It is a useful tool for communicating how employers and providers understand the talent development process from start to finish, and for providing a way to clearly signal the major transition points and roles and responsibilities of all partners involved in the process. Creating a value stream map is a Strategy 5 web tool feature. Host organizations and collaborative administrators have the ability to create and manage value stream maps. Business administrators have access to view value stream maps that have been associated with their business. To create a value stream map, you will access your Performance Dashboard listing by selecting Manage, then Performance Dashboard. Select the edit icon next to the Performance Dashboard you would like to create a value stream map for. Then select the Value Stream Mapping tab. First, you will add the value stream mapping roles you will be using for this Performance Dashboard. You will select to add existing roles, which allow you to select from a preset list, or you can add your own roles. To add existing roles, you will click the Add Existing Role button. You will use the preset list to check the boxes next to the roles you would like to include. Then click Add Role. If you do not see the role you would like to add in the preset list, you can add a new role by clicking the Add New Role button. You will then type in the text for the role you would like to add, then click Add Role. You will use the green plus icon to add your measure sets, associate providers, and optionally identify tiers associated to each applicable role. Click the green plus icon. On the Identify Measure Set tab, you will be able to select which measure sets you would like to associate to the role. You can select to add an aggregate measure set. When you add an aggregate item, it will not associate any provider information with the role. You can identify that it is an aggregate measure based on the data source column. You can also select to add individual business or provider rows. By adding an individual business or provider row, you will associate those providers to the role. Check the box next to all measure sets you would like to include. Use the paging to review all available measure sets. To associate tiers with your role, you will select the Identify Tiers Optional tab, or select Next Step. You will then use the checkboxes to identify which tiers you would like to associate to this role. Use the blue box text for more detailed information on each tier. After identifying the tiers, you will select Save. You will repeat this process until all roles have been built out. You can use the blue arrow buttons to reorder the roles, or use the red X buttons to remove measure sets or entire roles if needed. Once you have added all of your roles, associated your measure sets and tiers, and ordered the roles in the appropriate order, you will click the View Value Stream Map tab to see the map you built. Use the View More button to expand the value stream map as needed. Use the Download Image button to download a PNG of your value stream. Use the Share Results to Library button to share your value stream map to the TPM library. You have now successfully learned how to create a value stream map within the TPM web tool. Next, learn how to create a scorecard within your Performance Dashboard.